OPTEX, the global leader in sensing innovation, is pleased to announce the CleanSwitch professional-grade, hands-free request-to-exit sensor. The CleanSwitch provides a contact-free, hygienic method for releasing a strike or maglock door to allow free egress through access-controlled doors. It works by means of a deliberate hand gesture within the detection range of 4 to 20 inches, helping to stop germs in their tracks. Thanks to its attractive design featuring colored LED feedback, CleanSwitch is an appealing, user-friendly addition to its environment. It takes just a few minutes to get the activation switch up and running. The highly durable front can be treated using standard surface disinfectants in hospital areas. Even in moist or wet environments, the CleanSwitch offers reliable protection that meets IP65. Quick and easy to install, setup of the CleanSwitch requires no tools and includes an integrated short guide through the installation process. For more information about the OPTEX CleanSwitch, please visit optexamerica.com.